Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Welcome to my channel. Today I have Trendsend. I'm very excited. I only get them about 2 or 3 times a year. If you're not familiar with it, it's a subscription order service from the store Evereve. Right now until the end of January they have a deal where if you're a new client and log in to their trendsend.com, you can get a box styled for $1. You even get that $1 credited back. However, if you use a current user's link, you get 20% off, which say you get something $50, that's $10 off. So technically, I think the 2020 is better. If you don't want to use my link, you can use several other YouTubers that do Trendsend, and you can do it any way you want. If you want to do the $1, go for it, because I love Trendsend and I encourage you to try it. So here's my box. Right there. I get mine from Seattle. I live in Virginia, but they air ship it, and I love my stylist Kimberly. This is my 3rd stylist that I've had from that store, but that store always does me right, so I just stick with what works, you know. So it says, oh, happy day, ready, saw your note and excited to get to know you better and continue to style you. All right, let's see what we got. That looks pretty fun. All right, looks like some neutrals and some denim. They have premium denim. I usually love their denim, but don't want to spend the price tag. One good thing, just like Trunk Club, if you get things from Trendsend, you can look at the Evereve site and get it on sale. So, ooh, this is awesome. Here's a Z Supply sweatshirt. It's a pale camo. I love camo. And this feels like a great weight. Perfect for today is 60. And yeah, let me see if it's got the price. $68. $68 Z Supply sweatshirt. So it's a little pricey. I have bought 2 or 3 $58 sweatshirts from Stitch Fix because I work with teenagers. So I wear a lot of casual shirts, but that's starting to get a little pricey. If you get 4 items, you do get 10% off, so that could help too. LA Made, probably LA Made. Super soft. Oh, it's how cute. It's a beautiful rose coral colored dolman sleeve. I actually haven't bought a dolman yet. This might be the one. I like it. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is by SaltWater. It's got, this has a lot going on. I'm not sure about this. It's got striped kind of bomber jacket. It's got some crochet detail. And then it's floral print. Okay, I'm gonna try that on. I'm gonna look forward to trying that. And then the jeans are Good American, which I've never tried Good American, so here we go. Get to try new things. I like the wash. It's like very casual. Whoa, it's a lot going on at the end. All right, but I look forward to trying it. They sent me some 7 for Mankind jeans that were really distressed, and I wasn't really in the market for distressed jeans, but they fit so good, y'all. It was hard to send those back, but they were $200, so they went back. This says with heart, and this is really soft. Is that more denim in there? I can't tell. Let's open it up. Let's look. It's kind of like post-Christmas, right? First, Peyton Jensen. There, and this is $78. Oh, I didn't look at the prices on those others. I'll put all the pricing in the description and put it on the screen when I try it on. This is a waffle open weave knit. Oh, it's waffle open weave in the back too. That's interesting. $78. It's like a sweater. It's a sweater material. Huh. All right. All right. Spanx, and look at the pattern on these Spanx. These are Spanx, and they're a really fun kind of leopard, gorgeous colors. I just bought my first pair of Spanx from Trunk Club. Allison Joy, let me see if it's got the price on that one. $68 for the Spanx. Pretty normal, right? Allison Joy. The names of the Ever Eve brands are their children or relatives, daughters. So Allison Joy is one of their children or relatives. And this looks like a dress. So is it navy? It's a, oh, it's on sale for $39.99. It's a Leanna knit jumpsuit. So it's got a little tie and then wide pants. All right, y'all. I have yet to find a jumpsuit that I'm really feel comfortable in, but you never know. This could be the one, and it's on sale, so I like sale. This says play more. It's a smaller bundle. Ooh, another Allison Joy on sale for $49.99. They will send you sale items, so that's nice. So this is like a small leopard print. This is a nice dressy blouse. Oh, it's a bodysuit. It's a bodysuit, and it looks like it maybe has a tie. We'll put that on to see what that looks like. And, ooh, I think I like this print. This is a Allison Joy, right? Allison Joy tank. Did I get this in a last box? I really like this print. It's on sale, $34.99. I might have gotten, this print looks familiar. I like it. Ooh, look at this. I love Chaser. It's not on sale. $79. $79 sweatshirt, but look. Bon Jovi. Wanted Dead or Alive, which I saw that concert. Thank you very much. And this is Chasers. I have a weakness for Chasers. So this is one of those that's going to be hard to send back. Yeah, that's totally me. It's a lot to try on. That was a lot of pieces. All right, let me go for it. I will need some feedback. If you like unboxings and spending time with me, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This is the Allison Joy Navy jumpsuit. It's knit material, super soft. It's pretty low cut, but you could wear a cami under it. It has a full back to hide whatever. It's got the drawstring. It has pockets. And it's pretty much full length on me. I'm not sure it's supposed to be that way. But I don't have a jumpsuit, and I kind of like this. It's very comfortable. Let me know what you think. Okay, so the jacket is fun. It is definitely fun. SaltWater, never heard of that brand. It's kind of silky-ish material. It's medium weight. It's got a lining, but all the material's thin. It has the crochet detail, but unless you had a different color underneath, you wouldn't necessarily be able to see that. But beautiful colors, and it's a lot of fun. I will back up and do a turn, and then the jacket's $128. These are the Good American jeans, high-waisted. I like the wash. I think they fit a curvy girl pretty well. I'm not sure I can get back enough to show you the bottoms. I will show you the detail in a minute. Let me show you the top. These are $169, so don't think they're quite me. This is the top by L.A. Made. It's the dolman. It's got the waistband, very soft, and it's called Sun Kissed or Sun Blush is the color, and I adore the color, but I'm just not sold on this dolman thing, y'all. And at $68, I think I'm gonna maybe look for something else's color, but not this shirt. Okay, this is an Allison Joy bodysuit leopard. It's on sale for $50, but I'm not even gonna let go because the snap won't stay snapped. It's just, And this tie, I'm not sure if you're supposed to tie it high or if you're just supposed to kind of have it, you know, like this, or you could have it like this, but I mean, this is where it's supposed to clasp, but I mean, you can kind of see the shoulders are not, this is the seam of the shoulder, and here's my, this is just no, but I wanted to show you if you were interested in this style, I would size up. Allison and Joy top. It has the V-neck. I'm not sure it's laying totally flat right here. You can kind of see the back is cute. And I really like the colors. The colors are just really bright and vibrant, and I really like that. And it's the cheapest thing in the box at $19.99. So my $20 styling fee, I could keep this shirt for free and send everything else back. So I'm gonna have to decide if I love it, because I'm only gonna keep things I love, even if they're a great deal. But I really like the colors. It's just extra flowy. And I'm not sure the hanging on me is the most flattering. I like the length in the back. Give me your opinion on the. So the D Supply sweatshirt camo is definitely me. $68 though, and it's just similar to a lot of things that I own. It's got the nice crew neck and the kind of balloony sleeves. The waistband's a little cropped and has the elastic in it. So if you lift up your arms, you're gonna see tummy. So not real sure. You can't wear it with leggings or anything because it's not gonna stay down. And for $68, I'll probably stick with what I have, but I do really like this. It's definitely my style. So thumbs up on good choice to try. Fun. This is the Peyton Jensen sweater in Heather light gray. It has some stitching detail here, and then it switches to the open weave and continues the open weave around the back. It is tunic length, covers the beauty. It's $78. That's full price, not on sale. So again, one of the nice things about Evereve is you can stock it on their site. The pants are the Spanx leggings with this cute little pattern. I really like the coloring. I like the fit. They're on sale for $47. So they were $68, now they're $47. And last but not least is the Chaser. Of course, I knew I would love Chaser graphic tees. It's Bon Jovi's Wanted, Dead or Alive, went to the concert. The sleeve length is great. It's nice thick knit. Comes down, or you could pull it up and blouse it. True story, when I went to this concert, I was a senior in high school, and I drove to school the next morning in my Bon Jovi sweatshirt, which was white, by the way. And I had a big thing of Coke in my lap, and I started coughing, and the Coke started spilling. I was worried about getting on my sweatshirt, and I got distracted. The wheel popped up on the curb, and right there was a fire hydrant, and it bent the axle of my car and totaled my car. Yes, that was awesome. It was early. I wasn't paying attention. I was a silly, stupid teenage driver. And my Bon Jovi shirt did wash out, but the car did not. So, you know, I might need a replacement sweatshirt. So 9 items, y'all. That was 9 things. So this is a very generous box. You get to try a lot of things. I can wait to see if it goes on sale at $79. The Good American jeans, I don't think those are quite for me. I might try Good American again, but not that particular style. The Camo Z Supply, loved it, just have a lot similar, and I'd rather have something like the Chaser instead of another camo top, but the camo top is spot on. The SaltWater taffy jacket is very interesting. Love trying it. Not going to keep that. This, I want something this color. I just love this color on me. Maybe if this was on sale, it's still $68, but not convinced I need a dolman. And this is just no, but I appreciate trying it. I think it's a pretty pattern. Maybe the $47 Spanx. Maybe the gray tunic. I think this was Allison Joy, or is this Peyton Jensen? Peyton Jensen waffle knit. Really like that. Maybe on sale for $19.99. Really love the colors. If it was super expensive, it'd be no, but 20 bucks if I need an extra item to get the discount, that would probably be worth it, right? And then maybe to the navy jumpsuit, which was $40, and I actually liked it for a jumpsuit. So I'm going to think about those 5 items, and I will really appreciate your comments back on what you think I should definitely keep, if anything, and I appreciate it. Stick around, subscribe, thumbs up. I will catch y'all later. Take care.